So in the town of Redmond, Washington, they have a great little dog park. Not little, big. So this is kind of the meetup area at the very beginning. Oops, sorry, Ollie. Didn't want to invade your privacy. This is a great off-leash dog park. And it's not just a little fenced-in area. It's a big place where you can take a nice walk. It's really hard to see how big this place actually is. Let's look at an aerial view. And right up there in those trees is a nesting colony of herons. I think Ollie is kind of like on doggy overload here. He doesn't know what to do with so many dogs. Oh my gosh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Well, go on in, Ollie, if you want. That's okay.